Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nshopalama. Tonight on Imbewu, Sakile and Zetulele are led into the meeting room. During the forgiveness ceremony, Sakile attacks Zetulele with a shank, and it seems like Sakile is angry and furious about the situation happens. He tells Zetulele that he has a sister and brother and he kills the only one child for him, and he lived there while two go does goes to work, and he is too busy socializing to help and does not take kind to bring reprimanded by Nomsa. And Nomsa complains to Tushelin that all day he play TV game and the man of loan will not come back if he does not want to work. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.